In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start making money online today without ever having your own products or doing a service. But before I do that, please give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. So what is this magic thing that lets you make money without having your own products? This is some crazy concept, right? Because people are always telling you to go create something innovative, go create something brand new in order to be an entrepreneur. Well, that's not the case. Market research out there is to sell something that's already been done. It's proven that it can sell. So why would you want to go create something out there? And with this, affiliate marketing is the business model that allows you to start making money without ever owning your own products or doing a service. Basically, as an affiliate, you are an affiliate of a business or brand where you are promoting their products and you get the commission from it. Now, affiliate programs out there range from like 10% commission to 75% commission. Sometimes the commission is lower, sometimes the commission is higher, but you make a commission when you make a sale. You don't have to ever handle the fulfillment of the product sale. You don't ever have to handle the customer service or the returns or any of that, which makes affiliate marketing one of my favorite business models because you don't have to handle any of that. You just go sell, make a commission, and that's it. It's a very passive way to make money online. Now, I talked about the commission. Some of the commission, if the product is a one-time sale, then obviously your commission is going to be a one-time thing. But if the product is a recurring monthly thing, then you're going to get the commission recurring monthly all the time until the customer cancels on that product. Now, sometimes the sales could be really large numbers. There's commissions that are over thousands of dollars, and sometimes there's commissions that are very, very little. The truth is, the amount of work that you put in for either a high commission, high ticket item versus a low ticket item is going to be the same way. You're going to market it the same way. So it's going to be the same marketing strategy, right? Now, affiliate marketing, like I said, is very passive. A lot of businesses have this. If you go on a certain business's site, so like a brand, you can go check out to see if they have a link down below and see that if they have an affiliate link, go through it and see if you can apply to be in their affiliate program. Now, there's also websites out there that host affiliate programs such as ClickBank. Amazon actually is an affiliate program, but it's not very good. There's Share a Sale, CJ, all kinds of different ones that you can sign up and see what kind of things you want to promote. Now, you want to be niched down on your affiliate offer so that way you become the credible person that knows they're expert in that niche. So with affiliate marketing, you do have to get approved by the company to sell their products. Now, some companies are very strict. Other ones, if you apply, you'll get approved immediately. Other times they will verify to see what kind of marketing that you've got going on. Now, to start off with affiliate marketing, the companies will ask you for your numbers. So what is your subscriber number? What is your traffic number for your blog? What is your social media number? This is very different for each company. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start doing your affiliate business. I'm going to be sharing with you the different ways you can market an affiliate product. So the first one is going to be blogging. A lot of the affiliate programs out there will ask you for your website, your traffic numbers, and your email subscriber number. So the best way to go about starting affiliate marketing without putting so much money out there is by simply starting a blog. Now, I have a link down below with an actual blog post that I have on how you can get started doing your own blog, so you can start setting up your blog. I have that link down below. the blog is going to be a very passive way to do affiliate marketing. It's going to take a little bit of time to start ramping up, but as soon as you start building up that traffic and people are seeing your offers on your blog, it's going to be very passive. So blogging is what I call digital real estate, because it's just like real estate in real life, where someone comes and they purchase something. If 100 people come and purchase $1,000 product or a $500 product, you are making tons of money passively. Now, with a real estate in real life, you're making that passive commission, or you're making that passive income if you're doing long-term selling. Now, if you're also making passive income even with short-term rental. All you have to do is clean or have someone clean for you. Blogging, as much traffic as you can build up, the more people are going to see your offers, and this is for years to come. If it is online and 10 years down the road, it's still really relevant what you are talking about on there and people are buying, then obviously you're making the money all the time from there. So very passive. Blogging, it doesn't cost that much to get started with a blog. You can do it for under $50, a great way. $50 to passive, very, very passive, lots of potential income, versus real estate where you are dropping down thousands of dollars in order to buy your property, right? So the next way is going to be with a YouTube channel. YouTube, just like blogging, is very searchable. So this is going to be passive income also. Now, what I mean by searchable, it's an evergreen, just same with blogging, evergreen marketing, because someone just goes and searches for something, and if you pop up, you have the potential to make that sale passively. Now, YouTube will be around forever because Google owns them, and the same with blogging, you're found on Google. So both of these ways are very similar. You can make videos talking about the problem and putting the solution out there, and that's where you're going to make the sale. Obviously, you want all of this to go down into a email marketing platform so you can communicate with your subscribers. So the next way to do affiliate marketing is going to be simply with social media. This doesn't cost any money at all. Social media, you can just talk, become the expert at something, and then drive your affiliate product links onto it. Now, you want to obviously collect the emails instead, so you can own your email list, own the people that follow you, because if social media were to drop or something happens, server crashes, then you've lost out on all of your followers, right? So you want to put them down into an email list, and you can start sending them more offers that way. This form of social media is not very passive, because you are going to keep going on every single day and posting, unlike Google and YouTube where you can be found through a search. So this form of affiliate marketing is going to be active. In a way, it's going to be active income because you have to keep posting. The last way to do affiliate marketing is simply with a landing page and Facebook ads or Google ads or Bing ads. You are simply driving traffic onto your offer. So you're going to build out a landing page, maybe with ClickFunnels, if you don't have a funnel builder. If you don't have a blog, but if you do have a blog, then you can use Thrive Themes to do your opt-in pages and drive the traffic in that way. Now, I have some links down below on how to do email marketing, because with all of this, with affiliate marketing, you want to be doing email marketing with it. So I have a blog post down below all about that. With email marketing, obviously, it's going to be very passive. The way you drive people into your email list is going to be either from your blog, your YouTube, your opt-in sales funnel, or your social media, right? You want them all going down to your email marketing, where you become the expert and start giving value and asking for the sale of your affiliate product. And this is a very fast explanation of this affiliate marketing Now, if you have any more questions, just drop them down below. If you want to learn more about this, you can check out my blog. I have quite a few articles all about this, and I'll be dropping all the links down below to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, have a great day.